Hey, hi everyone. So today we are going to see what are fill ratio and load factor with respect to the hash map. So whenever we are working with a hash map or we have a question regarding the internal working of hash map, these two questions comes into the picture. What is fill ratio and what is load factor? So these both terminologies are same, the only is the names are different. So let's see, whenever we create an instance of a hash map, some values are by default over here. For example, the size of the hash map is 16 and fill ratio or load factor is 0.75. So what exactly it is? It is nothing but a number which gives an indication to the hash map that we are about to fill and we need to recalculate and restructure the buckets. That's what load factor is. So whenever we create an instance of the hash map, we know in the background an array of 16 bucket has been created from 0th index to 15. So at some moment, this bucket or this array might get fulfilled. So before it gets filled, there should be someone who should give an indication to the hash map that the buckets are about to fill and we have to recalculate and restructure the bucket. So load factor is the term which gives an indication to the hash map at what certain point it is going to be filled and where we need to recalculate it. So whenever we add in data, as we know, whenever we add in data, again internally hash code has been calculated, hash has been written and so on, we get some index number and at particular index the data has been stored. So whenever there are 12 entries, maximum when 12 entries are been filled, at that time with the help of this fill ratio and the size of the hash map, it has been recalculated is almost the double of the initial size. Then again the bucket of 32 has been created and so on, the further process of adding the data has been done. So fill ratio load factor is nothing but it gives an indication to the hash map that at what certain point the data would be filled and when we have to recalculate it. So by default, the fill ratio load factor is 0.75, but we have a different constructor in HashMap which gives us a capability of us giving a fill ratio of our choice. So that's all about fill ratio and load factor.